Learn how to play barre chords in 5 steps. 1. Press with the side of your finger. Play the barre along the fretboard and make sure that each string sounds good. Then do the same with the chord shape you are studying. Step 2 is an exercise that helps you to memorize the chord shape of your studying. For instance, for F major, all you need to do is put your finger on the neck with the correct fingering, play the chord, remove the finger and put that back and forth. The focus of this exercise is to memorize the chord shape and to get the fingering right every time you put the finger back on the neck. So it's okay if it doesn't sound good at first. Step 3, find the balance between your right arm, which is resting on your body and push your guitar forward, and your left hand that push your guitar in the opposite direction. Once you find your balance, you'll notice that actually you don't need the thumb in order to play and to make a barre chord sound good. Okay? So don't press too much with your thumb. Try instead to find your balance between your arms. Step 4, play the barre chord in context. Choose a chord progression you like, and even if you don't get the fingering right, or even if the chord doesn't sound good, don't lose the flow and keep going, stay on time, and eventually, sooner or later, you get it right. Be aware of the guitar you're using because each guitar is different. The neck shape might be different, also the string spacing, the string tension, and take also into account that even your hand is different than mine, so you might find some guitar easier or harder to play. In general, playing barre chords on acoustic guitars tends to be harder compared to electric guitars, okay? So be aware of that and take advantage of it. There are also some tools that may help you to strengthen your finger faster, but I think that the best school is practice on your instrument. So keep practicing, don't give up, and you'll get it. Follow me for more.